Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating 3 minimalistic, very easy fall coffee table styling ideas. But don't worry, girls, all my maximalist girls, we have something coming later on down. But today's video is going to be nice and minimal and simple. For my first styling idea, I wanted to keep it very transitional, so I'm going in with all white florals. Of course, use whatever floral you want, but I'm starting off with something that can just go from summertime straight into the fall season. If you guys are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is R.Lateish, and on this channel we do everything home. That's styling, decorating, cleaning, cooking, you name it. Once it has something to do with the home, we do it over here, as well as some lifestyle vlogs. I hope you guys do consider subscribing to my channel, and remember to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave which styling idea was your favorite down in the comment section. I definitely love hearing from you guys, and y'all know I will always answer back. I do my best to answer every single comment and to make you guys feel very welcome, because you guys are a part of this community and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you guys enjoy it here. On the other end of the coffee table, I'm going to be adding some coffee table books. You guys know I love my coffee table books. It probably won't be a styling if I don't add books. I'm just saying. So I'm going to go down with 2 coffee table books, and right next to my vase, I'm going to add some pumpkins. Of course, if you guys are not the pumpkin type, you definitely do not have to add pumpkins to your decor. You can go in with a vase of some sort with maybe some potpourri or some leaves if you want to. Then to the top of my book, I just went in with a candle as well as my DIY matchstick holder. For styling idea number 2, I'm going to go in with my newest vase that I got from Yusk. This vase just reminds me of fall. I don't know if it's the stripes. It gives it almost a pumpkin-like look, and I just love it. It's perfect for fall. Then I'm going to go in with some fall stems as my greenery or my florals. And we're just going to add 3 stems to this because I want to keep it very flowy and very minimal. To one end of the table, I'm going in with some books, and then to the opposite end, I'm going to be adding in a bowl, but to elevate it just a little, I'm going down with a small plate first, and then I'm going to add my decor bowl on top of it, and then next to that I'm also going to add another bowl. If you guys want to add other elements, you can fill the bowls with potpourri or leaves as well. Then to the top of my decor books, I'm going to add some candle holders. I love mix matching my candle holders. It just gives the eyes something to look at and something to, you know, just give that effect. I decided to add a third candle holder and candle just to add just a little bit more glam to the table. So I'm going in with another style of candle holder as well as the same candlesticks. For styling idea number 3, I'm going to go in the center of my table with one of my DIY vases, and then to my vase I wanted to add a lot of fall stems, but because this vase is so small, adding too much stems was a little overpowering. So you guys will see later on down that I decided to only use one style of the fall stems. To one of the front ends or front corners of the table, I'm going to add a stack of coffee table books, and these coffee table books are from Amazon. They should be linked in my description box for you guys if you are interested. Then to the opposite end, I'm going in with my mixed match candlestick holders and my LED candlesticks. Now these candlestick holders are very old, so I cannot link them, but my LED candles are from Yusk, and I should have them in the description box for you guys as well. Then on top of my books, I just went in with a pumpkin. We have reached the end of today's video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below which look was your favorite. Also, if you have not subscribed as yet, please do remember to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And until then, I will see y'all in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.